Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving deep into the wonderful world of apple cider vinegar and exploring its incredible health benefits. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you do not miss any of my upcoming videos. Now let's start with the basics. What exactly is apple cider vinegar? It's a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. During fermentation, sugars in the apples are broken down by bacteria and yeast into alcohol, which then further ferments into vinegar. The main active compounds in apple cider vinegar is acetic acid, which gives it its strong smell and taste. So number one benefit is digestive health. One of the most well-known benefits of apple cider vinegar is its potential to improve digestive health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may help increase the acidity of the stomach, which can enhance digestion and nutrient absorption. This can lead to reduced bloating, gas, and overall discomfort after meals. Some people find that taking a small amount of apple cider vinegar diluted in water before meals help improve digestion. Number second is weight management. Many people also turn to apple cider vinegar for its purported benefits in weight management. Several studies have suggested that acetic acid may help promote feelings of fullness, which could lead to reduced calorie intake and aid in weight loss efforts. It may also help regulate blood sugar levels after meals, which is crucial for controlling cravings and maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Number third one is skin and hair care. Beyond its internal health benefits, apple cider vinegar can also be used topically for skin care and hair care. Its natural antibacterial and antifungal properties make it a popular choice for treating acne and other skin conditions. When diluted with water, it can be used as a toner to balance the skin's pH, reduce oiliness, and improve overall skin texture. For hair care, some people use it as a rinse to clarify and enhance shine. Number four is heart health. Emerging research also suggests that apple cider vinegar may have potential benefits for heart health. Some animal studies have indicated that it could help lower cholesterol levels and improve markers of heart health. However, more human studies are needed to fully understand its effect in this area. Number fifth is potential antimicrobial properties. Apple cider vinegar has been used historically as a natural remedy for its antimicrobial properties. It's believed to have the ability to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, which may contribute to its overall health benefits. Some people use it as a natural household cleaner or disinfectant, although its effectiveness in this regard may vary. Up till now that we have covered its benefits, let's talk about practical ways to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your daily routine. One of the simplest methods is to mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a large glass of water and drink it before meals. This can help improve digestion and support weight management goals. You can also use apple cider vinegar in salad dressings, marinades, or even incorporate it into sauces and soaps for added flavor and health benefits. Alright, that wraps up our in-depth look at the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. While it's clear that apple cider vinegar has some impressive potential benefits, it is important to use it in moderation and be aware of any potential side effects. Always dilute it before use, especially when consuming it orally or applying it to the skin. If you have any medical conditions or concern, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding apple cider vinegar to your routine. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if you have tried apple cider vinegar and how it's worked for you. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in more content on health, wellness, and nutrition, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss new videos. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. Bye.